Morning, grade 2 students. How are you all? How are you all doing today? I hope you are feeling good. Your minds are fresh. Your tummies are full with yummy breakfast. Yes, that's great. And you all ready to learn something new in this class? Ready to study? Great. And did you all thank Allah in the morning? Yes, for giving you this life, for giving you everything which you need in this life. Yes, class? That's great. You should thank Allah every time when you wake up in the morning. First thing is that. Then you do the other activities of your day. Yes, but thanking Allah, praying to Allah is very, very important. I hope you all understand this. Yes? Okay. Now, which class is this? Yes, it's your literacy class, and I'm here, teacher Shaista, taking your literacy class, right? So, tell me, class, that which day of the week we are going to do today. Which day of the week is today? It's the third day of week 20th. We are on 20th week, almost finishing our session of grade 2, right? Isn't it good that you have completed your grade 2 and now you all will be going to grade 3? Yes, but for that, you need to do something. And what is that? Yes, you need to study, you need to revise everything which you have learned in this whole session. Yes, because after these weeks, like four weeks more, you are going to have your final exams, and for that you need to study, you need to recap, you need to revise everything that we have done in this class. Yes, you understand? Okay. Now coming back to the lesson, now we are going to learn something which is related to grammar. Yes, today we are going to do something related to grammar part, right? But before starting, I would like to show you a few pictures. Ready for that? Ready for your starter activity? Great. Okay. What are these two things which I am holding in my hand? What do you call them? Yes, these are butterflies. Very good. Now, what do you think? What do you see over here? What type of butterflies are they? How will you describe them? The butterflies, they are two butterflies and they are of orange color. What else? They are they different or are they same? Yes, they are same butterflies because both of them, they are of orange color, they are of the same shape, they have the same design, right? So they are same, they are similar. In the same way, what about these? Again, how will you describe them? They are of red color, red and black color, right? They have black spots on their wings. So are they same or they are different? They are same. They are similar butterflies, right? Because the colors are same. They have the same pattern. Everything is same. Their size is also same, right? Okay. Now, what about these two butterflies? Are they same? No. Why? Because their colors are different. One is of red color, one is of blue color. So they are not similar. What about these two? What are these? They are owls. So are they same or they are different? They are same. Their colors are same, their shapes is same, everything, their eyes, nose. So they are same type of owls. So that means that they have similar features, they have similar things, they have similar colors, they have similar shapes, right? So now, so you know what is the meaning of similar? It means same, some things which have the same features. So this is what we are going to learn today in this class. Now what is that? That is similar words, how words are similar. How words would be similar? Can you just tell me, can you make a guess how they can be similar? have the same spelling? Think about it. The words that have the same meanings, we call them similar words. Which words? The words that have the same meanings, we call them similar words. Right? Can you give me an example? Yes, very good. Good, nice, right? Good and nice. They both have the same meaning. So they are similar words, right? Now, I'm going to show you few words, right? Like 3 words, and you have to find out the similar meanings. First, we are going to do the meanings of those words. I'm going to ask you the meanings, and then you are going to tell me the similar words. Okay? Ready? There you go. Can you read the words with me? The first word is choose, difficult, select. Now, what is the meaning of choose? You choose something. You select something. And what is the meaning of difficult? Difficult means hard. Very good. So, what are the similar words in this heart of mine? Similar words would be choose and select. Very good, class. Choose and select would be the similar words. Now let's write it down. Choose and select. Right? These are the similar words. Right. Let's move on. Read the words with me. Center, start, and begin. Center, which is something which is in the middle. Start, you are starting something. Begin, you are beginning to do something. So what are the similar words? Come on, come on, come on. Start and begin. Very good, class. Start and begin. Start and begin. Okay, let's move on. What about these 2 words? Come on. Middle means in the center. Hard, which is very, very hard. You cannot do that, right? So are they similar? Do they have the same meaning? No. So can you find their meanings? Can you find a similar word which is similar to middle? Yes? Between. Very good. Or you can say center. So my word was middle. And what is the similar word? Center. Middle and center. Okay, the other word was hard. What's the similar word of hard? Hard means, yes, difficult. The similar meaning of hard word would be difficult. So you have seen the words which have the similar meanings. Choose, the similar word is select. Start, the similar word is begin. Middle, the similar word is center. And hard, the similar word is difficult. So you know what are the similar words? The words which have the same meaning. It need not to be have the same sound. Don't mix it with the sound. It should have the same meanings. Okay. Now let's make few sentences with these words. Are you all ready? Just you have to tell me few sentences of 1 or 2 words we are going to do. Okay, there you go. All right, the first word was choose. Okay, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Now, select. We have to make a sentence with the same word, same meaning word. Select. Again, we can write down the same sentence. Select the correct answer. Both sentences are correct. Now remember how we are going to write a sentence. Yes, we are going to start a sentence with capital letter and end it with a full stop. But if it is a telling sentence, now these two sentences are telling sentences. What about asking sentence? When we are asking something, are you going to put a full stop at the end of the sentence? No, you are going to put a question mark. Very good, class. Now, middle. How will you make a sentence of middle? This book is in the middle of my table. Correct? Alright, now the next word, the same, center. Again, you can write on the same sentence. This book is in the center of my table. Again, you remember how to write a sentence. Yes, you start with a capital letter, end it with a full stop if it's a telling sentence, but if it's an asking, you will write a question mark. Correct. So you understood how we use these words in sentences and how we are going to find out the similar words, the words which have the same meanings. Correct. Very good, class. Now is the time for you to do the task. I want you all to open page number 87. Now over here you can say that they have given the meaning of similar words. That remember, some words have similar meanings, which means they are like each other. They are like each other. My dad's, you can say, yes, my dad's old tie, my dad's worn out tie. Both they have old and worn out have the same meanings. Now, not going to tell you this work. You have to do it yourself and then we are going to check it. But first, I want you to tell me the meanings. Now, you have to copy the similar words and then you have to write down. Now, what is the meaning of broken? You can say something which is faulty, right? What is the meaning of pretty? I'm sure you all know that. What is the meaning of kind? I'm sure you must have known that. Okay. Now, first, you have to do this part A and then you have to do part B. That is, you have to write down the similar words of these drink for each of these words. Laugh, shake, okay, and pretty and kind. So I'm going to give you, let's say, 8 minutes for this task and your time starts now. Okay, time is up, time is up. Let's check out what you have done. The first word, pretty. What is the similar word of pretty? Beautiful, very good. Now the second word is kind. What's the similar of kind? Helpful, very good. Now what is the meaning of laugh? Smile, you can say. Okay. What's the meaning of, you can say, perfect? Correct. Very good. That means that you know the meanings of these words and how to find out the similar words. I'm very, very happy with this class. You have done the task when it was not that much. Now you can do that. You can make sentences with these 4 words that you have written for homework. I'll be posting that on portal, and there is one more work that is related to workbook page. So that means today you have 2 tasks. One is you have to make sentences with these words and then you have to do the workbook page also. Alright class, so you must have learned something in this class, must have enjoyed the lesson and you are going to follow the instructions, you will do the homework yourself, okay? And do keep watching the videos which are already there on your YouTube channel and website as well. Okay children, see you later, see you in your science class, bye bye.